world is suffocating due to a huge pandemic. The incessant coronavirus pandemic continues to take a massive toll not just in health but on many aspects of life. The rapidly unfolding humanitarian crisis needs a quick and coordinated response in our country, which has challenged the health system and a large population of migrant workers and laborers. Rehab India Foundation is extending its support and reaching out to the communities struggling to survive during the lockdown. Since the onset of the COVID-19 outbreak in India, all the sources of income have dried up for many people, especially for the poor. To uplift them, collective effort is required. Delhi-based Rehab India Foundation is becoming a part of this great effort. Rehab India Foundation, founded in 2008, have been working in several underprivileged rural areas. Rehab is providing help to the society to overcome the plight of lockdown. To ensure food security to the underprivileged people, Rehab has distributed provision kits to 2,512 families across India. After the first lockdown was initiated, migrant workers were stranded in the streets without a medium of transportation and proper food. Food packets, biscuit packets, and water bottles were distributed to migrant workers from Assam, Bihar, and a few other states who were living on the streets without any shelter for several days in and around Chennai Central Railway Station with the hope of catching a train back home. Dignity kits containing a toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, mask, and feminine hygiene products were dispersed to the migrant laborers who were stranded in a shelter home at Chennai. In association with United Way Mumbai, Rehab has distributed N95 masks to the frontline workers in government hospitals dealing with COVID patients across 5 states. 100 PPE kits, masks, pair of gloves, and bottles of sanitizers were distributed to a group of volunteers in Chennai and Kanchipuram who are carrying out the last rites for the COVID-19 victims irrespective of the community. In the scorching summer, several migrant laborers reached back to home at Bihar. 17,768 food packets and 18,000 of water bottles were given to the migrant workers before they were transported to quarantine centers in their respective districts and blocks. Rehab also conducted virtual medical camps, health awareness, and menstrual hygiene awareness programs online. The women were made to attend the online talks with the help of Rehab field officers. During these adverse situations, students and teachers of Rehab India Foundation entered a new world of virtual classes and worksheets, continuing with their education system. Rehab India Foundation is continuously working towards providing maximum care and support to anyone in need during these hard times. Though the pandemic has given rise to a lot of doubts and sadness, little acts of kindness and people being each other's little ray of hope refurbishes our faith back on humanity. It's high time we realize the true significance and power we hold when we stand together in the face of hatred and fight against them diligently.